Using Bluetooth and the wired headphones at the same time is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can use Bluetooth and wired headphones at the same time. So in order to do that, as you guys can see, I'm at the Windows. Here you just have to right click on your audio and then you have to open sound settings. In the sound settings here, you'll be able to see three devices. So the first one should be your speakers, the second one should be your wired headphones, the third one should be your Bluetooth headphones. So you just have to select your wired headphones right here as your playback device. After that, you simply have to scroll down and click on this more sound settings. Now here you just have to go to the recording options, and in the recording options you just have to right click on it and check this show disable devices. It should appear this stereo mix. You just have to right click on it and then enable it. After enabling it, you just have to right click on it again and then you have to click on properties. Now in the properties you have to go to the listen and then you have to turn or check this box. After that you have to select your playback device as your Bluetooth device right here. After that you have to apply it and okay, and there you go, your headphones, Bluetooth, and wired ones are set up. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this very helpful.